Alright, so got to get this out of here.
Just the angle I was at?
Could be.
That's the one I started with. Really wish they sold me bolts with these. Want the whole studs, man?
Mm-hmm. Well, since the neighbors aren't home, really? Other side.
So I have beat 9 on it.
Just gotta get a hold of the damn.
Just because they say small don't mean they're the best pliers in the world. Does it have a size or is it just flat?
It's just a. It's just trying to get a hold of it.
Well, I'm pushing it up.
I hit it. Damn.
Snap-on pliers. Great tools until you need them to fit somewhere. Probably just rip that off. Already wasted it anyways. All it does is help you. And we'll go through this left hand. You're also trying to hold something that's vibrating. Well, when I said this would take 20 minutes. About to make me go to storage and get a cleaner linkage.
Grab it.
Out of the driveway, Chubbs.
Where's this?
There's what?
There ain't enough room to get under there.
Let's see. We don't have a torch. Well, I don't have a torch.
Okay, so after some work, got, I'll see, take it out here in the sun so you can see it. Fancy new VMS shifter. VMS. We like your stuff. Bushing. New bushing. Ready to go back in the car and see how it does. Alright, now, back up into the car.
Washer first, dumbass.
Oh, wait a minute.
It's got to go on the other side of that linkage.
I know.
Oh, great.
What?
I can't. You gotta stop moving it.
Watch my dumbass probably put the wrong side in. Did I put it in backwards?
I don't fucking know.
Yes, I did. Unless both sides are cupped like that.
Nope.
Alright. Be back with you a moment. Alright, round two. Let's try this again. If I can get the camera to stay. There we go.
Harbor Freight jack stands. We're not ready. Hold on, Mike. My thumb really hurts.
I bet.
Should we go to the hospital? No. It's not long enough. It's posing a problem. You don't know. I swear I hate new bushings. It's not like I can hit it either. Yeah. Come on. Just let it hang, Mike. You don't have to hold it. Ah. Like my new Harbor Freight hammer? Rattle your sphincter a little bit. Doing power. Oh, fry! I can thread it. Feels like it's threading. What'd I do with my hammer?
Stupid ass.
What?
Nothing.
If it looks like a hammer, it works like a hammer, it must be a hammer.
It's possible.
Now the problem is the bushing's got the bolts so far out. Trying to do this without utilizing my left hand. Where should get that looked at?
What?
I don't know, the 1.5-inch slice in my finger.
Interesting.
What?
I just got a text from my wife.
What? About what?
Same thing she said earlier on speakerphone. Via text message.
Some hole yet?
Uh-huh.
You're not getting none?
I mean...
I think I might have broke the ratchet. Or the header's switching it. Because it definitely feels like it's going backwards. Because it is. Turd. I hate you slightly. Ooh. This is really difficult without my left hand. I remember why I don't work on these cars for people no more. They irritate my soul. Fucking damn it. Gonna have to do some editing on this one, bud.
What?
Gonna have to do some editing on this one. If you're recording.
Yeah. We're gonna fight with the bolt for a minute. We'll get back to you. Alright, so got it mounted. New hardware. That's kind of a bottom view of it. There's those spacers that are supposed to come with it, but apparently this one didn't have them. Which we'll figure that out at some point, but there's how it looks underneath.
Anybody have Integra mirrors?
We'll get you an above shot here in a minute. All right, so let's see it. Here's the full combo. VMS shifter, VMS shift knob. I don't think it's gonna focus on the... Yeah, well, you can't see what that says, so sorry about that. But, thoughts, opinions?
It's real short. Bet I start missing gears now.
It's alright. Break it, maybe we can get VMS to send us another one.
That'd be pretty tight.
We'll put it in the other ship box. Oh. But yeah, there you go. That is the install of our VMS shifter on the GSR.
Later.
Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe.